I will. See it properly. Try it. Go down. No, not okay. Again.
It's so hard.
Yeah. Let's put it there, okay? More harder. This one, it will not be going down. Try to take it off. Okay?
No.
As Awina. Okay, go. Take it off.
Hey, there's nothing in my head.
Wait, try to shake it. No touching. No touching. Shake it off until it will fall down. See? It's hard to take it off.
How? Wait, no.
Take it off. No,
It's not
almost.
falling.
It's almost. Don't touch it. No touching. If you touch it, you lose. It's up to you how you take it off. No touching. If you touch it, you lose. No touching.
I'm just touching my hair.
No, even though. Don't touch the coin.
How?
It's up to you how you take it off. Like that. It's up to you.
Hey, why this?
Come on.
Stop na! Stop the video.
Until you take it off. Don't
I
use your hands.
cannot.
You can.
I love that mommy will have a lot of ads na.
Come on.
Please.
Almost. It's almost falling down. I'll take it off na. Again. It's
Can I see?
it's one more. It's a bit sticky. Look. It's hard to take it off. Oh, there. Oh, see you too. I'll push it more harder so that it's really hard to take it off.
No.
Oh, wait. Oh, so that it will take it off. 1, 2, 3, go.
Huh? How do they know?
What? Come on, take it off. It's it's hard to take it off. Right?
How do they know?
You shake it like this. Yeah, there until it fall down. Oh,
Tama na?
shake. Okay, I'll take it off na. Oh, okay.